Transform your WordPress site into a captivating online store with this essential guide to designing an irresistible shop page using WooCommerce. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the WooCommerce menu. We'll be focusing on customizing the shop page. So let's dive into the settings. Under the WooCommerce settings, select the Products tab here. You'll find the crucial Shop Page option. This is where you designate which existing WordPress page will serve as your main product display. If you haven't already, create a new page or choose an existing one you'd like to use for your shop then. Simply select it from the drop-down menu once saved. This page will automatically populate with your WooCommerce products. Now, let's refine the visual presentation still within Products. Look for the Display tab here. You control how your products are initially showcased. You can choose to show products, categories, or a combination, and even decide whether to display subcategories. The real magic happens in the page layout depending on your WordPress theme. You'll have various options for structuring your shop. Look for settings related to columns. Whether you prefer a 2, 3, or 4-column grid can dramatically change the feel of your page. You can also often customize the appearance of individual product cards, like what information is displayed and how it's arranged. To elevate the customer experience, filtering is key. While default WooCommerce offers some basic sorting, consider installing a dedicated filtering plugin. These tools allow you to add options like filtering by price, product attribute, or even stock status, making it effortless for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Imagine customers being able to instantly filter for their desired color, size, or brand. Implementing effective filters on your shop page not only improves user experience, but also leads to higher conversion rates by removing friction from the buying process. By strategically configuring these settings and focusing on a clean, intuitive layout, you can design a WordPress shop page that not only looks fantastic, but functions flawlessly, turning browsers into happy buyers.